Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming iOS and storage because outdated software or no space often causes photo errors. Once done, force close the Photos app and restart the iPhone to clear temporary glitches. Make sure iCloud photo syncing is enabled if you rely on cloud storage, and verify Wi-Fi or cellular upload settings so images can transfer. If an update is pending, install it now. That often fixes compatibility bugs that block photo access or uploads. You next handle corrupted files by exporting them off the device, AirDrop, wired transfer, or save to files so originals are preserved. Once backed up, switch photo storage modes to force redownload. Choose Optimize versus Download and keep originals depending on space and quality needs. If the problem persists, sign out of your Apple ID or toggle iCloud photos off and on to trigger server-side repair and resync. These steps rebuild the local photo index and often restore missing thumbnails or failed uploads. You finish by restoring from an iCloud or encrypted iTunes backup if multiple images remain inaccessible after repairs, because that recovers a clean photo database. If you choose third-party recovery tools, make sure you use reputable vendors and keep a backup. These can sometimes extract corrupted files. Finally, if nothing fixes it, contact Apple support and provide device logs, backup timestamps, and steps you tried. This helps their technicians escalate the issue and may lead to a server-side.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.